Next up in the extreme carpet edge cleaning test, we have this Bosch Formula Electro Duo with the EBK 280 power nozzle. Now, I don't know exactly what this does for airflow and suction on the airflow box because I just got all new filters and stuff a few days ago, but we'll find out soon enough. So we're going to run this and see what happens. I can tell you this. With the main suction unit on high, this definitely sucks right down to the carpet for sure. So will it have enough to pull flour from underneath the carpet? I don't know. And the bristles on this brush roll are very, very soft, very non-aggressive. Good for all kinds of delicate carpets. All right, so let's see what we can do. There's some flour on the top. There's some off to the side. And let's put some underneath. And if you're wondering what I used to prepare this carpet for this particular test, it was the Royal. And in this case, this whole setup is so quiet, I don't think I have to warn you to turn your headphones down. It's kind of pointless. Very, very quiet, the whole thing. Even the power nozzle. So, away we go. The brush roll is spinning. I know it didn't sound like it, but the brush roll was definitely spinning. You can't really hear it or feel it. And we did not have enough airflow or agitation to pull the flour up. So it's just kind of clogged, and you can see there's kind of just white blobby spots on the back of the carpet here. So we'll have to find out how much airflow that actually is in a later test. But no, it couldn't pull it. All right, so thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.